Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. In this segment, I'm going to talk to you about the business health check for supermarkets. The supermarket industry in Australia is huge, and obviously it's dominated by 2 or 3 very big companies. But in every suburb, in every town, in every regional city, in every country area, there are supermarkets owned and operated by small, medium enterprises. And these are the people that in the main, I assume, are clients of your accountancy business all around Australia. Some of these businesses are very well run. Some people run 5, 6, 20, 25 of these types of supermarkets. Their success depends on their accounting team being able to drill down into their financial performance, analyse the performance and give feedback to the management group so that they can make changes to the operations of the business. So within the business health check product package for supermarkets, you will receive a key performance indicator report, which is based on information that your client will need to supply to you relative to what happened in the previous years. Things like their customer number, their total sales for the individual sections, their wages, customer details, so that the system is able to produce a sales analysis which will primarily look at increase and decrease in sales in the various sections of the supermarket business. And in some of the supermarkets, as you know, there could be up to 40 sections or departments. The sales section will be looking at the sales per square metre, and this can be further dissected into the sales per square metre for each section of the business, the delicatessen, the butcher shop, the hot bread business, etc. The customer details will be looking at the sales that have been achieved by the business's loyalty program. What have the results been? Should more emphasis be placed onto the loyalty program? Is this a great, unique area that your particular supermarket client has that differentiates them in the marketplace? The gross profit analysis will look at individual section contributions to the overall business. What was the gross profit percentage for each of the products? The wages analysis enables the total team within the supermarket to be allocated to the sections or departments that they work for, so that the wages can be calculated and the wages percentage based on the turnover and in those individual sections determined. The expense analysis is, as the name suggests, an analysis of the overall overhead expenses relative to the operation of the business. The supplier analysis, I believe, is a very important calculation in the supermarket businesses, because most of your supermarket clients, I'm sure, can benefit from some greater assistance from suppliers. So by having data available that shows clearly what your client's expenditure was this year as compared to the last 2 or 3 years, gives you valuable information to hand over to your client to assist them in having a conversation with their suppliers to try to get better deals from them. There's also work papers to assist in the calculation of a future maintainable profit calculation. There is a template to assist in some scenario projections as to what might happen if various changes were able to be made in the frequency of visits to the supermarket, in the gross profit percentage, in the average sales being achieved, and what would all of that effect be on the bottom line performance of the business. And there are some articles within the product package which will assist you to talk to your team members about what's involved and also to your clients. Articles on matters such as break-even analysis, benchmarks and ratio analysis. Good luck with your utilisation of the business health check for supermarkets. I hope it really assists you to give an outstanding business evaluation performance with your supermarket clients. Have a great day. Goodbye.